Hello traders, Vladimir here, and in this video I want to introduce you the new version of my Forex BBB trading system. So after a long time, a great new features arrived and they are here for you to use and to help you with your trading. So what is new on the Forex BBB? And what actually is the Forex BBB about? Let's start with the second question. What is the Forex BBB is all about? And the idea is very simple, as you might already know. Forex BBB based fully on a Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands is one of the top trading indicators exist in the market, on any trading platform, of course. I rely on the basic default parameters, because from my point of view, as it comes by default by the creator, it's good for him, it's good for us. Now I didn't create any new indicator here. My entire system is relying on the Forex on the Forex. My entire system is actually built around the Bollinger Bands. Now, as you know, there are a lot of ways, thousands of ways to use the Bollinger Bands with these or other combinations. Whatever you can think about is doable. That's what makes this indicator to be one of the tops. Now, I chose the very powerful way by combining few time frames, testing the directions, the power and the force on the higher time frames and the current time frame I would like to trade. I am checking for divergences as confirmation in opposite direction. I'm making sure that I have a good trade in the trading zone and that I have a good risk reward. According to all these filters, which you can find here on the dashboard, and I will explain it in a minute, you can choose your trade, if it's a short term or if it's a long term, and BBB gives you both possibilities. The entire idea here, choose the best potential setup with the greatest risk reward, trade it and make money. That's the entire idea of the system. Now, inside this dashboard you can find 5 filters which my system is looking for. And one of them, and the first one, actually to make sure we are in a price zone. Once it makes the confirmation, you got check. The other thing it checks is risk reward. It is checking for divergence, okay, to be confirmed on the higher time frames, and making sure we don't have opposite divergence. So if we want to buy, we have to make sure we don't have any divergence for the sell, right? It doesn't make sense to go against so strong forces, and that we are checking the divergence in the current time frame. Once you got it all, you got top signal. That's what my system does behind the scenes while you are waiting for a signal. That's what the system is looking for you, to make sure you can get the best alert. That's the entire idea. Now, in the small window right here, you will find the higher time frame you choose, and I'll talk about it right in a few seconds. Okay? On the higher time frame you choose, it gives you the idea what is going on the higher time frame. You can see the direction of the Bollinger Bands on the higher time frame. As long as you can join this very direction, you know your trade has serious odds in your favor to end up as profitable. That's what you need. And if you will keep these basics ideas that the system is doing for you behind the scenes, you will make money. That is that simple. And that's why I was working all this period to make it possible, to create it the easiest way for you to follow and to trade with. The new version also includes the ability to give you to choose the time frame you want to work with. So it used to be 1 hour chart trading basic with daily combination, but now you can control it Okay, and choose the time frame you would like to confirm. If you want to make sure you are joining the 4-hour chart, all you have to do is to choose the 4-hour chart to work with, and it will give you the Bollinger Bands from the 4-hour chart right here. Once you have it, you know what you can work with, and this way you can even choose go over several time frames. Make sure you join the bigger forces and trade with that and make money relying on the higher time frames forces. That's the very basic idea, and all happened behind the scenes. So you don't need to do the mathematics and the calculations and waste your time by analyzing all over and over again. It does it all for you, and that's the greatest features you can find in this version, including the new variation here with the time frame. You can play with the time frame, so you can trade now 15 minutes, rely on the 1-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, or if you want also on daily and the weekly. Make sure you go with the strongest forces, and if you keep the basic principles of the systems, as I said, and the risk reward, making sure you go with the direction, you will make money. That's nothing magical here. That's nothing holy grail. That's a very powerful principle placed and coded in one trading system, which is the Forex Triple B. It does the whole thing for you. You go and get the alerts. You go and trade them according to the rules. You make money according to the rules. That is very simple combinations. So that's what we have on this new version. I wish you great trading with Forex Triple B. I will be very happy to hear any feedback you have and any new great idea you might have. Share it with me. And of course, I'm always open-minded to keep improving that and make it even greater for you. Thank you for watching. I wish you best trading and best of success. Yours, Vladimir Ribakov.